If you see, I don't have navigation buttons such as home button, recent button and back button on the home screen of my Samsung device. So if I want to bring it back, then what I will do is I will tap on this settings icon here. I will go to display, then I will go down and I will select this option navigation bar. And if you see, there is an option here navigation type, and you can choose two options, either navigation buttons or full screen gestures. So what I will do is I will select navigation buttons, and as soon as I select it, you can see the navigation buttons appear here. Also, if you want, you can change the position of the navigation buttons here. For example, I have this recent button here, home button and then back button at the end. If I want, I can select the other option and then I can have back button at the front, home and then recent button. After that, what you do, you just need to close this one and you will have the navigation buttons on the home screen of your Samsung again. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.